Hello everybody, how are you doing? It's your girl Flavors of Ruby here. I hope everyone is doing well. It's another day in the kitchen and today I'm bringing you a spicy chicken gizzard recipe. I hope you come along with me and let's cook this together. So for our ingredients, we have our chicken gizzard, which is well cleaned and fresh. We also have our dry seasonings on this plate. We have our ginger powder, our onion powder, our garlic powder, our mixed spice, and our chicken bouillon powder. We also have a red and green bell peppers, our onion, our green seasoning mix, olive oil and salt. Into my hot pan, I put in my fresh chicken gizzard. I then added some chopped onions and then I topped it with a dry seasoning mix. I then proceeded to add a cup of water and I gave it a very good mix. I intentionally didn't do a lot of water because I just didn't want it to dilute the amount of seasoning I've put in. So one other thing is that gizzard has its own juices. So once you introduce heat to it, it's just gonna extract it. So I just didn't want to do a lot of water because I know at the end of the day, it's gonna increase anyways. So as it cooked for about 10 minutes, I added my homemade pure pineapple juice just for some fruity flavor. I then allowed it to continue to cook for about 10 minutes and then I gave it a good stir, proceeded until all the water is almost evaporated and we are left with a thick stock. I then proceeded to take the gizzards out, added some oil, and about 3 tablespoons of the green seasoning mix. Gave it a good stir so that it's completely incorporated. Allowed it to just cook, just to mix it up for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I poured it out into a bowl. I used the excess oil on the sauce that we now have to toast the veggies for about 4 minutes. Mind you, the idea is not to cook it completely, but just to introduce some heat to it. After taking the veggies out, I went ahead and put in the gizzard just to toast it a little bit. I didn't mean to fry it. That is not the idea. The idea is just to get it to brown a little bit. So I just put it in the pan for, like I usually say, just about 5 minutes until I realized it was turning brown. And then I went ahead to put back the veggies in, topped it with the sauce. Trust me, this is so good. I paired it with some banku and chito, including the leftover of the sauce. You will love it. You can have this as your choice of protein for any food you want to have. This is a very simple recipe, but it tastes really good. I hope you get to try this method. Let me know how it went. So until I see you in my next video, please like my video, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful day. Bye.